Hello everyone. We are back again with the second issue of our audio-visual newsletter, that is Spectrum, initiated by our Honorable Principal Sir Mr. Anil Sharma. Hope you all are blooming and thriving. Here we will give you a glimpse of some more activities of the school. So let's begin.
We are once again here with our second issue of Spectrum, which is again in an audio-visual form. We started our campus classes from 18th of January, initially for class 10th and 12th. Later on we included all the classes 6 to 12. Utmost care is being taken with safety of the students. Sanitization of classrooms, campus, toilets, buses is being done regularly. We have got adequate facility of sanitizing hands. Adequate number of taps are there to wash the hands. Adequate number of dispensers have been installed to clean the hands time to time. I hope the coming session will run very, very smoothly. Thank you very much.
Another feat of accomplishment is added on being at the first position in the Sirohi district for the successively second time by the Education World Magazine Award. We have clinched this award in the category of Co-Education English Medium Day School. This time also we have maintained 100% outstanding board results under the able guidance of our Principal Sir and nurtured the quality education for holistic development of the students. On 17th February 2021, Shri S.K. Wali Saab, whole-time director JKLC, visited the school along with the newly appointed president Mr. Arun Kumar Shukla ji, accompanied with Shri P.L. Mehta ji, Senior VP Work Cement, and Dr. S.K. Saxena ji, also as Senior VP Work Cement. They all appreciated the smooth functioning of the school during this pandemic COVID-19 period and the spick and span environment maintained by the school. It's a matter of great pride for all of us that our three students of class 10th, Abhas Mittal with 85.56%, Sparsh Tapaya also with 85.56%, and Bhavya Saini with 85% have cleared STSE, that is State Talent Search Examination, which is conducted by the Secondary Board of Education Rajasthan at the state level. Most probably only our children have cleared this prestigious examination this time in the entire Sirohi district. On the 72nd Republic Day, when the whole nation is brightened with tritones to convey the message of solidarity in diversity, so is LPSS. Only the staff members celebrated this national festival and the tricolour flag was unfurled by our Honourable Principal Sir Mr. Anil Sharma. CA Intermediate exams held in January this year. From our school, Pooja Gujar and Alpesh Kumar cleared this examination with flying colours. In All India ranking, Pooja secured 49th rank and cleared both the groups at her first attempt. It's Makar Sankranti. On 14th January, when the staff was overwhelmed with the great enthusiasm and positivity flows in the air, so the staff members enjoyed this big day by playing many outdoor games. With proud hearts, we all convey congratulations to Ramesh Barana for securing All India 88th ranking in Indian Engineering Services conducted by UPSC and has been allotted Department of Geological Survey of India. With fragrant yellow flowers and fluttering butterflies, we have celebrated Vasant Panchami with great fervour on 16th February. On this auspicious occasion, our respectable Principal Sir prayed to the Goddess of Knowledge and Wisdom to shower blessings on the students. LPSS fraternity congratulate Ronak Agarwal for becoming Chartered Accountant in his first attempt with respectable All India 46th rank in ICAI examination. On 4th March, Mrs. Alka Vadhavan, TGT English, was given a farewell from her active services of 25 years. We wish her new inning with cupful of happiness, mountains of success and good wishes for her better future. And that brings us to an end of our spectrum. So, from the editorial team of LPSS, work hard, dream big, and never give up. Thank you.